I chose WEC.
I chose WEC.
I chose WEC to major in because
For my entire life, I've been very passionate about the outdoors and nature.
It just seemed like the perfect combination of my interest in ecology and conservation.
I've always loved animals and wildlife.
I realized that I could actually pursue this as a career, my love of animals.
I just loved how it kind of felt like a smaller community in such a big school.
Everyone's so excited to share all the information they know that it's a great way to learn. Even just hanging out with friends who are WEC students is a great way to study for the upcoming test.
And the professors really care about your success.
They are there for you, they're there to support you.
They really go above and beyond to make sure that each student in WEC succeeds.
Being able to be taught certain subjects is one thing, but the amount of practical experience that WEC was able to provide me is super valuable.
You learn how to ban birds, miss nets, set traps, catch amphibians.
I found my internship through the WEC program, and it allowed me to be paid while going to the beach every day and pursuing wildlife research.
My study abroad program was in Botswana. I had the opportunity to ear notch a rhino. Yeah, I really felt like I was on National Geographic.
The most surprising thing to me about the WEC program is how many opportunities and pathways there are that you can explore.
It's not just being a wildlife biologist. You can go into ecology, management, humanities, human dimensions.
A lot of people I've met have been very jealous that I've gotten to get my Wildlife Ecology and Conservation degree here at UF. They hear about the classes I get to take and the people I get to meet, and they're absolutely floored with it.
Wrapping up undergrad, I just feel really excited and eager to get out there and really put my new skills to the test.